Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Studio and go straight to Content, pick your video and choose Subtitles. You should pick the language first, then add or upload an SRT or VTT file. This gives you a clean starting transcript. Once done, if YouTube already generated auto captions, click Edit to import those lines and start fixing major errors. You're doing this now so later steps focus on timing and accuracy rather than basic setup. Make sure you save a copy of the original captions before you'll now focus on detailed editing. Use the caption editor to split or merge lines and nudge timestamps by 1/10 of a second so captions appear with speech. Read the audio and correct homophones, numbers, and punctuation so viewers get meaning quickly. Short lines are easier to read on mobile. Once you align a few segments, use the waveform and jump to segment features to snap remaining lines into place and play back at normal and 0.5x speed to confirm timing. When you finish, publish the captions and test playback on desktop, the YouTube mobile app, and any embedded players to confirm they show correctly. If they don't appear, clear your browser cache, check the video's privacy and embed settings, and verify the selected language tag matches your captions. If problems persist, re-export a clean UTF-8 encoded SRT with correct timestamps and upload it again. This often fixes encoding or format glitches, and then recheck captions across devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.